the best way to celebrate revolution is to plant a tree. At least that's what they do in Czech Republic.
Velvet Revolution was a non-violent transition from communism into democracy. It happened between November and December 1989. The result was the end of 41 years of one-party rule in Czechoslovakia and its conversion to a parliamentary republic.
Today here we're gonna plant the Alley of Freedom, which is like a sign of recovery of the country and the freedom itself. We will restore old road, which goes from there, from about 1 kilometer, all the way till here, to this church right behind me. I need to register? Thank you. So now the registration is going. Guys, they're giving free food and drinks for every participant. So it's quite muddy. Yesterday was heavy rain. It's better to have these rubber wellies with you.
We do it every year in autumn, and it's always connected with this idea of that we want to celebrate values of freedom and democracy by planting trees, because we believe in the foundation that these things are connected. And 2 months ago there was no route, and then we created a new path for people, so they can walk, pick up fruits and enjoy the country.
Tak, 3, 2, 1, teď! So after opening ceremony, everyone is going for their own trees. Every person got a list with a number on it, and that's the number of the tree they will gonna plant. That's about it. Quite a lot of people around. That's my tree, number 35, and I'm gonna plant it. It actually took me like half an hour to do this, to cut the hole and to bend it, and look at my feet. It's a very working atmosphere. Some local Czech guys offer me vodka to drink.
Nepiješ?
No, nie piješ.
Jak to?
Tak.
Abstinent? No, ja, dobrze.
So that's my personal pear tree in Czech Republic. Be brave to act. Yeah.
The person who established the foundation, Mirek Kunrata, came up with the idea that we should plant 10 million trees. For every person in the Czech Republic, 1 tree as a symbolic value.
It's been a couple of hours of planting already, and most of the trees are done. And it's actually very nice how they came up with this idea to put like this Czech flags above it, and people put some shields with their names or whatever they want to write on it. It gives you this vibe of kind of celebration or something. The organization of event is also on the top level, really. They've got special workers who are everywhere, help you, to assist you, to check that all of the plantings are done correctly. But also how they treat everyone who came to volunteer. They've got free food for everyone, drinks. Yeah, very nice atmosphere. Here you really feel valued as a volunteer. And it's nice to see here so many, you know, families with small kids, and it's just a very nice way to spend the day. Of course, you don't need 500 people to plant 150 trees, but the point is, it's a celebration, and it's some of the people here never ever planted a tree in their life, and it's something new for them. It's more about gathering of people together. So all of this road, and it's really dirt road, will be covered with the tree shades in a few years. And here's my pear tree. It will be super nice to come here after a few years and see how it goes and eat some pears. Thank you. In reality, we could celebrate anything this way. Birthdays, I don't know, corporate parties or Christmas. Yeah, imagine Christmas. Instead of cutting trees, we could plant them. That would be amazing, you know. It's active workout outside, people are very happy, and it's good for the environment, and the most important, you feel some kind of fulfillment after doing this, you know. You feel that you did something good, and I think that's the most important. Here's another video from tree planting I did in Spain. Like, subscribe, become my Patreon. But most importantly, be brave to act.